How many magazines should you have on you for concealed carry? Well, if you watched our last video, we jokingly said only one round in the chamber and nothing else, but too many of you guys took us seriously in the comment section, which really cracked us up. But we're going to address this for real now. I'm going to recommend at least one spare magazine for two reasons. Number one, in most engagements that you're going to study, they almost always dump that first magazine because of nerves, and you want to have spare ammo for additional threats. And the second reason why is the main failure point of your pistol is going to be that magazine. So you want that additional magazine in case that first one fails you. So if you're looking for an inside the waistband magazine pouch, check out Klecker Tactical. They're veteran owned. If you use the code TheGunGuyCody, you'll get 10% off. Their link is in my link tree. Also, if you want to watch that funny video that people took us way too seriously, just click the link below here and you'll get to that video.